So for today, I just decided to cook and not go out. So let's cook Japanese buttered oysters. Yan. So tanggal na sa shell yung oysters. So first, let's put the butter and then some vegetable oil para hindi masunog yung butter. And then next is the garlic. Put a lot of garlic. Mas marami, mas masarap. And then after that, you put the ginger. Pampatanggal na rin ng konting lansa yan dun sa oysters na nabili nyo. Kasi kahit papano may lansa ang oysters. By the way, nakalimutan ko bumili ng sibuyas kaya ginamit ko yung white part nung scallions na binili ko. Pwede na yun. Anyways, ayan. Let's put around 2 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. Mix nyo lang. And then, after that, put some pepper para may konting kick na rin at talaga lalabas ang flavor niya. And then, to balance everything out, put like a tablespoon of sugar. I used brown sugar. And then, halo nyo na yung oysters nyo. And that's basically it. Tikman nyo na lang para kung balanse na ba yung lasa para sa inyo. Then, just put the green part of the onion leeks for color at pampadagdag pa rin ng lasa. So, hope you like my simple cooking. Wala lang, nakwento ko lang. Hope you like it.